Episode 7 is crucial. This is my trust builder and being honest that the all-in-one loan isn't for everyone, who it's for, and who it's not for. Welcome back to The All-in-One Advantage. I'm your all-in-one loan strategist, Mike Keck, and today is all about fit. Because let's be real, not every tool works for every person. The all-in-one loan is powerful, flexible, and fast. But it's not a magic wand, and if you use it the wrong way, it can backfire. So today we're going to get super honest about who this loan works beautifully for, who it might not be right for, and how to know where you fall on that spectrum. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the ideal fit. The all-in-one loan is for disciplined spenders with steady income and positive cash flow, turning leftover money into principal reduction. It's also great for business owners and real estate investors, letting you use parked funds to offset mortgage interest and quickly access your equity for new deals. Who this loan is not for. This loan isn't for everyone. It's not a fit if you spend everything you earn, have an unstable income, or a low credit score. This loan requires solid credit, usually 700 plus, and financial discipline. It's also not for those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it mortgage or are only focused on the lowest possible monthly payment. The goal here is long-term payoff and flexibility. Here's the deal. If you're in one of those not a fit categories, that's not a flaw. It just means this tool might not align with where you are right now. But if you are in that ideal category, and you've been playing by the bank's rules this whole time, it might be time to switch the game up. Here are a few quick yes/no questions to ask yourself. Do I consistently spend less than I earn? Do I have at least a 700 plus credit score? Am I comfortable tracking my money and being aware of my balance? Would I benefit from access to home equity without refinancing? Am I focused on long-term wealth, not just short-term payment reduction? If you're nodding yes to most of those, this loan could be a game changer. That's a wrap on episode 7 of the All-in-One Advantage. Next time, we're going to show you how to qualify for this kind of loan, what the underwriting process looks like, and how to get set up, because it is different from your typical mortgage process. If today helped you figure out where you stand, share it with someone who's on the fence. Sometimes knowing what doesn't work is just as important as knowing what does. Thanks for being here. And remember, financial tools are only powerful when they're the right fit for you. Catch you in episode 8. That's a wrap on episode 7 of the All-in-One Advantage.